Hello, and good morning, everyone. So today we're gonna try another food delivery service here in Las Pinas. This vlog is for the Las Piñeros and the Las Piñeras. If you are used to ordering food online, you might want to check this one out. It's called CNC, which stands for chicken chops. But of course, they also have other food. Aside from chicken and pork, they also have beef. However, beef is not available today. So for this particular video, this is our first time to try this. I'm gonna show you their food. We're gonna taste it and see if it's masarap. Before we proceed with the video, I would like to invite everyone to please click subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Please click like and comment down below if you have any food suggestions. First of all, thank you for all that helped us reach 100 subscribers. So now we have to level up a little bit. We're trying to reach 1,000. We would really appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
So today no beef. Does that mean the Carabao run away? Bakit walang beef?
So this is egg fuyong. It consists of vegetables and omelette. And this one over here is the sweet and sour pork. I don't know what is this sauce for. Could it be for the egg? So these are the two that we're gonna try today and see.
Okay, let's try. I think when I eat this, I will not need rice. This looks very heavy.
I think this is the sauce for the ano.
Maybe.
The sauce tastes good. This is egg fuyong. And it's omelette with vegetables inside.
And mushroom. Button mushroom.
So this is really the sauce. And we also ordered as you saw earlier. Sweet and sour pork. Try natin. Yung sweet and sour pork naman, the taste is there, no? Although the presentation, it doesn't look like really appetizing, doesn't look like in a Chinese restaurant, but the taste is there. The meat needs a little bit more tenderizing. Is that how you say it? The meat is not that tough, but pagka ni-pressure cooker mo siya and then you make it into sweet and sour, then yun ang perfect. So it's not perfect, but it's also not bad. These two ulams cost around 525. 525 pesos only. And it's a lot. This will be good for us until dinner.
So basically, because we can eat twice, lunch and dinner from this, it's 130 pesos per person. That is Carinderia level.
Of course, rice is not included.
Who needs rice with the egg fuyong? This is the perfect side dish, but
Hindi na kasi talaga nag-rice. Oh.
there's no need for rice here. This is
Perfect.
Onions. Come to me.
May bell pepper pa siya eh. Yan o, mga bell pepper.
Ito? Onions.
Bell pepper yan. Onion. Oh.
This one is the onion.
Ayan.
Looks the same.
Hindi.
Because everything is red.
We will finish our meal now. We'll talk to you later.